again, and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come.
Hey Steve, how you doing?
Oh, having way too much fun.
That's good. Chris and Tracy and Roma over there, our fur baby. We are from Alberta, Canada, and Captain Jealousy is going to get up because I'm speaking now. We have a couple of things on our bus. Our YouTube channel is called Destination Unknown H345, and our company is Shots to Go. That's what's on the front of the bus, so we can show you that inside. And while you're here, why don't we give you a tour on in?
All right.
Watch your head as you're coming in. You should be okay there.
Well, most of my head is scar tissue at this point.
So you basically walk into the living kitchen area. So we have a side dining table, a pull-out couch, of course plenty of counter space. We have lights across the top in the middle, also LED lights on the drop ceiling underneath.
Nice.
We designed this drop ceiling like this as a wire chase, so I always had an area to chase wires back and forth in the future for add-ons, deletions, whatever we wanted to do. We could chase some wires.
Sure.
Built-in washer dryer combo. Everything is drawered. Propane stove and oven.
I like the amount of counter space you have.
Well, thank you. Yes, that was one of the important things for us, was to have counter space. At home we have a massive amount of counter space. We've toured other RVs at different shows and whatnot, and didn't like the fact that they had a sink and then this amount. And we said, we're not doing that when we build. We are going to have some counter space. So that's why we built what we built, and this is why we, you know, kind of have what we have here. Nice 120 fridge. Of course, ice maker. Everybody needs an ice maker. Everybody, as far as I'm concerned, here's our Shots to Go bottle. Basically add your favorite alcohol. It pours out 1 ounce or 1 shot, squeeze, and then just pour into your drink.
Nice.
Yeah, so we have 2 different sizes, a small one and then a big one. The big one we keep in the bus, the small one's portable, comes with a lanyard. Coming back through into the bathroom. So come on in, and then we'll shut the door, and then you can get the full view of the bathroom. There is 2 mirrors on either side.
Oh, that's beautiful.
We also wanted a full-size shower, so we do have the full 32 by 60 shower. Nice toilet. And then back to the master bedroom, which is a full-size king bed. One of the things we decided on our build that was a little different than other people's build is we didn't get rid of, as you notice, any of the windows.
Right.
We wanted to be able to lay here and look outside and look into the beautiful country.
That's half the point of traveling around in a bus, is change the view. And
yeah, that's what I feel is we definitely did not want to get rid of any windows. We had to black 2 windows out. One, I mean, basically because the shower frame is there, and the other because the toilet is there. You don't want anybody seeing you when you're at night or whatever in the bathroom. But other than that, it was challenging because a lot of people put shelving up top, or cupboards, or, you know, uppers and lowers. We didn't have that. Fortunately, we have the length though, so we could get bigger counter space.
Right.
And underneath, the beauty of the Prevost is the underbelly or basement storage. It's higher than anybody else's. The J4500 has a big underbelly as well.
Right.
The Prevost is higher, a little narrower, but a little higher, which is really nice. So full-size closet. Once again, our wire chase into the back and the front.
Yep.
2 ACs, TV at the back, drop-down TV at the front. That when I said watch your head, that was the TV up there. It mounts, it drops down.
I was watching my feet.
Yeah, no, the TV drops down. I like to just say that for taller people because you tend to smoke your head on that sort of thing. Yeah.
Yeah, this bump on my forehead didn't happen by itself.
That's right.
It had a lot to do with that.
Exactly. So that's it.
Yep, and you did mention how to get a hold of you.
Yep, Destination Unknown is Destination Unknown H345 is our total YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, the whole bit. It's all one thing. It's all the same.
All right. Oh, thank you.
Absolutely. I don't know if you wanted to look underneath at some of the structure underneath.
Oh, we can.
Yeah.
Take a walk out.
We left the windows that's still open, so the emergency windows all still open if we need some fresh air or cooling or whatever the case is. Plenty of storage with all this countertop here.
Sure.
And then you might notice, I don't know if you have or not, but here's the dog's bed, the dog's area, and there's no passenger seat. What we do is we take the passenger seat out when we're parked. And that just gives us a little more floor space. It's 4 bolts to put the passenger seat in. It is a pain in the neck, but when you're sitting for a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, whatever it is, it's so much nicer to have space rather than a seat here, a great big captain's chair. But we do have a captain's chair. And then there's your fold down TV I was telling you about. So this now folds down.
Sure.
And then of course storage up here. Go to the passenger side maybe.
A little quieter.
Yeah, the generator's not cranking out in your ear. So all of the bays underneath the Prevost are walk-through bays, or basically through bays to the other side. So in this bay here, this is just storage for us right now because we're just parked. We do have another apartment-sized fridge on the far side with a fridge-freezer combo. So as we open the other bay door, the fridge is right here. You store extra food, freezer items, whatever the case is.
We'll just stay out a little longer.
Stay out a little longer. Fresh water tank with a household residential jet pump is the way I decided to go. I got that inspiration from another YouTuber that did this very similar thing. I thought that was a great idea. I don't like the 12-volt pumps.
Yep.
And we carry, in your language, 250 gallons of fresh water, so 1,000 liters. We have plenty of water. We figure 2 weeks worth. If we stretch it, we can probably get 2 weeks of...
I get 2 weeks out of 40 gallons.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but showers...
We like to shower every day, and lots of cooking, lots of... We use water, which is, you know...
if I had that much water,
Right? So full tool array. On the other side of my toolbox is my welder. We're actually going to be doing some skoolie welding today. Another guy got a hold of us on Facebook and needed some help and advice, and I said, I bring my welder with me. If you want to come by, we will absolutely help out. This is our waste tank, and of course another 250 gallons of waste, plus more tool storage, different things we need. Basically all the infrastructure. So our propane is here, battery for the tankless water heater, and I would just keep the charger on the battery just to keep it topped up. Propane, water system. Water system, when I built it, I put it all independent, so if we did have a failure, I can close the tap to that certain section and continue on without any problem.
Best way to do it.
Yeah, and that's it. The other side is very similar to that, but that's her. Series 60 Detroit with an Allison transmission.
Yeah.
Runs good down the road.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thanks, Steve.
Beautiful bus.